been spending the last couple hours working on my new bed for my winter camp. Couldn't take that hammock any longer. Too uncomfortable for me. So what I did is I tore it down and I got 4 rounds, large rounds that I cut up my last visit. I got 2 long poles nailed to them, and then we had this old bed at home. So I took these slats and brought them out here. It wasn't easy, but I did it. My new bed's going to have this air mattress. I'm just blowing it up to see if it has any leaks, and I think it does have a little one. I brought it out with me on my overnighter, but I couldn't blow it up. I have this homemade bellow, and it just wasn't working, so I gave up. But this air mattress, I spent many nights at my parents' helping out. I'd stay overnight there lots. Just been sorting through everything at camp, making an inventory list. This way I know what I have and what I need. And I think I'm probably going to start taking a few things home. After my overnighter, I felt a bit of a cold coming on. So I have some chaga and some spruce needles. I'm going to make some tea. I also tried looking for some rose hips, but I couldn't find any. It's kind of hard this time of the year. All the animals are eating them. So if you're not a fan of drinking stuff like this, you can always add a bit of regular tea as well. Got some honey. And a couple days ago, I took some spruce needles. I ground them up in a coffee grinder. I made some spruce needle soap and salve. So this is going to stay out at my camp. I just restocked all the firewood I burned on my overnighter, plus a little bit more. And this is currently everything that I have split. Still lots more work to do outside. More hauling, more splitting. Just never ends. I'm basically trying to cook a rabbit and split wood at the same time. It's not the easiest thing to do. My plan was to make some rabbit stew. I got a few ingredients, some potatoes and onions, but just running out of time. Here's the tree I was working on before my chainsaw quit. You can see there's a long ways to go on it yet. Here are the rounds I do have cut up so far. I think there's about 17, 20 of them, something like that. I want to bring them all back to camp. I know it's hard to tell, but I'm on about a 45-degree slope here. I don't have a very good trail broken to camp. Here's the second load. I'm going to have one more after this. And the reason why I want to get all this back to camp, in case we get a big snowfall, we really haven't had winter yet so far. Been pretty mild. And in case you forgot how our winters are, I'll remind you. Well, every last stick of wood that I bucked up is now at camp. I have one more load of split wood ready to go to my shelter. That's just going to stay there for now. And I also have a little pile right here. There's the deer hide I was smoking on my overnighter. I think I'm going to leave it out here, give it one more smoking, and call it done. I don't know about you guys, but that rabbit looks great, smells great, and I'm starving. I'm going to let my hide hang like this until next time. It's nice and high off the ground. I don't think anything's going to touch it anyways, it's been smoked for so long. Just going to smoke a little pipe before I leave. Another good day.
Hey, thanks for watching.
If you like our content,
Feel free to subscribe here.
Don't forget to hit that bell.
So you'll get a notification
as soon as a new video is uploaded.
And we hope to
Catch you guys on another video.